Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all the review of the two compact powders that are easily available in the Indian market and that every Indian girl would want to have in her makeup kitty. So the first one is from the Lakme 9 to 5 range and the second one is from the MAC Select Sheer range. So coming to the Lakme 9 to 5 powder, this is from the drugstore range which costs for around 450 rupees. As you can see here, I have already used this powder and you can see the condition. I have literally finished this powder and I have broken it into pieces, but still I have kept this powder because it is a phenomenal compact powder which you can use whenever you want, just for touch up also. You can wear it on your bare face also after applying moisturizer, of course. But this is the best Lakme compact I have found in my entire life, and I would highly suggest this Lakme 9 to 5 matte complexion powder for every Indian girl. This is you get it on discount. Most of the time it is available on discount on Nykaa.com. I will put down the link of this compact powder down there. And coming back to the MAC one, of course this is a high-end compact powder, as we all know, and I've also used this powder, as you can see. And here I have also used this powder, but if I'll compare both the powder separately, they both are very good. But when I'm comparing both the two powders, and I'm comparing it from the point of view of their quality and their price, this is a high-end product which costs for I don't know the exact price, but of course it cost under 3,000. So now coming back to the quality of both the powders, of course this is a high-end product and the quality is of course very good, and MAC is a very reputed brand, as we all know. And you can see the quality of this product is of course very good. But if I feel I have sensitive skin, and somehow I have many MAC products, lip products, foundations and many other products, but somehow I feel, I don't know, I can be wrong also, but I somehow feel that no matter how good this brand is, I always try that this brand suits to my skin. But I have a sensitive and acne prone skin, but this powder sometimes it kind of start irritating my skin after a point of time, after repeated uses. But coming back to the 9 to 5 product, according to the price, according to the quality, and it absolutely my skin loves this product. Even if I am barefaced, I have only applied a moisturizer, I can simply trust on this compact powder. If I have nothing in my kitty, I just put this one and I am very satisfied, and I'm yes, if I am in an emergency, I can use this product. So I would highly recommend college going girls to invest in this product. If you want one compact powder, you can definitely go for Lakme 9 to 5 matte finish compact powder. Lakme also have other range in the compact powder, but I haven't used many of them, but I have used this one, and I can definitely rely and definitely can vouch on this product. Yes, of course skin varies for different girls, but for me, I can definitely say that this is the best compact powder. Coming back to the MAC product, I am in the shade range NC30, and over here I am in the shade range Melon Matte. So I have I've tried to give a balanced review. I haven't said anything bad about MAC, but if we talk about the Indian market, we try to get quality thing in minimal price. So for that, I think Lakme 9 to 5 is the best product, and all of you must go for this. But yes, for some big occasions where girls want to spend for their marriage, I got this on my marriage, for marriage, or for something very important. If you are using this product and if this product suits you for a long time and all, you can invest in this product. But if for daily use basis, you should use this Lakme 9 to 5. And here I am ending my review of these two products. So if you want to see such more reviews on my channel, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any query regarding these two products, please list down that on the comment section, and I will definitely reply to you all. Thank you. Bye bye.